With traditional cleaning supplies, you have to purchase a bunch of different kinds to clean windows, cars, and other items. This can get expensive. Microfiber's system of dual microfiber towels is your answer. A total glass cleaning solution that works on house windows, car windows, and other glass surfaces. Now you don't have to dish out unnecessary money on harmful, chemical cleaning solutions. Our two-step cleaning process is all you need to get the job done fast and efficiently. First, you must use a damp microfiber towel. This will help pick up everything that made the glass dirty in the first place that traditional window cleaners usually just smear around. Then, follow up with a microfiber glass towel. Our glass towels are made specifically for drying glass, so you get that nice, streak-free clean. This might seem like a much longer process than just spraying glass cleaner and wiping away, but we promise that little extra time is worth it. We've designed a versatile glass cleaning solution that can be used on nearly any surface: home, windows, cars, you name it. It's time to save yourself time, money, and effort. To learn more about our cleaning products, visit microfiberwholesale.com.